Kojie San soap contains kojic acid, and I have hyped the product a lot, but the thing is, it is better safe than soap. And that's why I'm always Kojie San, Kojie San. I'm like, why is this guy always talking about Kojie San? Kojie San is the soap. But the bad side, you see that our soap that is everywhere. Today I'll be telling you about that Kojie San soap and how it might not be too good for your skin. So if you are tired of losing the battle against hyperpigmentation, skin discoloration, acne scars, Kojie San soap is that product for you. Like, I am not kidding. An excellent alternative to hydroquinone because it is much more safer. Next effective skin lightening agent that, see, I can swear on, but the thing is, it might not be suitable for some people. Yes, I said it might not be suitable for some people. Not all products, in fact, not every product you see will be suitable for you. So that is why we're always saying, do a patch test. Yes, it's good, it's effective. Kojie San soap contains kojic acid and some other ingredients. It is very effective. Like, in fact, this picture was taken after the period I was battling hyperpigmentation. Like, I wanted to even out my skin, brighten my skin too. So you see, Kojie San soap will dry up acne, will clear those dark elbows and dark knees, dark inner thighs. Like, I'm not kidding. Dark inner thighs, Kojie San soap will clear that dark inner thighs, body acne. It will brighten your skin. So if you know that you don't want a brighter skin tone, please, the soap is not for you. But the bad side, that is why I'm here. I'm going to tell you. So you see, it is always advisable to do a patch test. I'm still saying it. Do a patch test and see if your skin can tolerate it before you start to use it. Number one, it is not good to use Kojie San soap directly on your face. It will irritate your skin because it is an exfoliant. It will dry out your skin. It will sting your skin. That burning sensation, like your face is getting hot. But not to worry, this is how I use it. I wet my hands, like lather it on my hands, then use the foam to wash my face. There are some people that use Kojie San soap on their face, and they will, in fact, they use the soap as prep. They will not let it dry on the face. While they are cooking, they are washing, the soap is on their face. And in their mind, because they've let it sit, in fact, they've used it directly on the face, and they've let it sit there for minutes and hours, it will work fast. But I pity that person's skin barrier, because that skin barrier will be saying something else after that time. Especially if you have sensitive skin. In fact, any skin type, because I have oily skin on my face, and I notice that it is too drying on the face. Immediately you buy it, it is advisable to use it once a week. And after you use it, just let it sit on your skin, that is the foam, for highest 20 seconds. Me, I'm saying 20 seconds. Then afterwards, go in with a good hydrating essence, go in with hyaluronic acid, go in with ingredients that will hydrate your skin. After using the Kojie San soap, what are the products you use afterwards? Please, after you use the Kojie San soap, do not use any chemical exfoliants. Do not use retinol. Any ingredient that you know will dry out your skin. Don't say you want to treat acne, so you want to damage the skin. Please don't use benzoyl peroxide. Don't use even Clean and Clear. I don't even use this anytime I'm using Kojie San soap. I go in with a hydrating toner. This toner is from XBC. It's an aloe vera hydrating face toner with aloe vera extract. Or I use my simple soothing facial toner after I use my Kojie San soap. Then go in with hyaluronic acid and my essence. Like a lot of hydrating products, because this soap will dry out your skin and no be play. Don't use glycolic acid. Don't use, it will not work fast. Rather, it will end up damaging the skin. Rather, if you want to use, you know that you want to use this chemical exfoliant, it should be another day. Maybe you're using Kojie San on Monday. Use this one from Tuesday. If you're using Kojie San Wednesday, use this one Thursday. This one now is for the face. Then the body. You know, does dry out the skin on the body, but you won't feel it that much as compared to your face, because the skin on your face is very delicate. But I advise from experience, if you want to use this thing and use it well, use a moisturizer. That is why I say use this soap 3 times a week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Advisable. If you have sensitive skin, use it. Sensitive and dry skin, just use it once a week. In fact, once a week first. Then when you see your skin's tolerance to this Kojie San soap, you can now start increasing it to twice a week. But please, dry skin and sensitive skin, it should not exceed twice a week. So you don't say this soap that they are hyping finally damaged my skin or ended up damaging my skin. Please, it's a sad story to hear. So for the body, if you are using Kojie San Monday, afterwards, maybe you want to use an exfoliating body lotion. You can use your exfoliating body lotion that night. Remember, you are using Kojie San at night, not during the day, because it has exfoliating properties. And if you use it and walk under the sun, you know now. So during the day, you use a moisturizer. That is why I have moisturizers in my house, because I trust Nivea products. So I have Nivea moisturizers in my house, like just a normal moisturizer without any actives. Monday, I'm using it with my exfoliating body lotion. Tuesday, I am going to be using my normal soap. This is my Sesamix organic Egyptian goat milk and honey soap with chamomile, emphasis on chamomile, and sesame oil, shea butter, tamanu oil. So this soap is very, very moisturizing. I will use it the next day, morning and night, because I need that moisture. I will go in with my moisturizer morning and night. That is Tuesday. Then Wednesday, I now continue my Kojie San soap and the exfoliating body lotion. Thursday, I go on a break. Use my normal soap morning and night. Use my moisturizer. Friday night, I go back to my Kojie San soap and my exfoliating body lotion. Saturday, I am just using moisturizer and body oil. The next week, I can choose to use just Kojie San soap at night with my normal moisturizer. Then during the day, I use my normal moisturizer and my body oil whatsoever. Yes, but I'm not using the Kojie San soap every day, because why? It is for treatment, so you don't burn your skin. Number 2, so that you can get that even healthy glow without any redness on your skin. If you have a damaged skin barrier, like your skin, you have cuts on your face, you already have redness on your face, you have burns on your face, please, it is not safe to use Kojie San soap. No matter how much they preach it to you, don't use it, because you will aggravate the situation. Once your skin barrier is destroyed and you use another strong ingredient, I don't want to imagine what will happen. When your skin barrier is repaired, then you can now think of brightening the skin. And this is applicable to both face and body. Anything outside that, my sister and my brothers, I have nothing to say. Please, dry skin, use a lot of body oils and body butters. So you know you're going to cleanse your skin first. Then afterwards, you go in with your scrub. So when you are using your Kojie San soap, please endeavor not to use a scrub that will dry out your skin. That is the advice I will give to you from my own personal experience. Then again, there's one thing I don't like about this soap. It is the fact that the soap melts very fast. So what do? I chop the soap in and use it, cube by cube. That way the soap will last longer. And lastly, you need to use a sunscreen. Like, sunscreen is a must. You see the way I'm emphasizing on sunscreen. Sunscreen is a must while using Kojie San soap. In fact, any product that contains kojic acid, it is a must to use sunscreen. You must not go out under the sun without wearing sun protective clothing. Please share this video to those that you know will need this video, because a lot of people are still buying Kojie San soap. It's not funny. And before I forget, there are fakes of this Kojie San. Because of the high demand of this particular soap, the fake is everywhere. So please be careful, do not buy the fake. I'm going to be uploading the pictures of the fake and the original so you can be able to differentiate them. If you go anywhere and they sell Kojie San soap for you 2,000 naira, please don't buy. 1,500 don't buy. 2,500 safe don't buy. Kojie San soap is from 4,000 naira upwards. Don't make that mistake. Don't say, hey, I got it cheap. What I have noticed from buying the original Kojie San soap, the original Kojie San soap, the pack is whiter and more brighter than the fake. The fake is looking very dull. And you know that lady in front, that dark lady, the color on the original is pure black, but on the fake is very, very dull. And the font on the original is black and bolder, but at the back, but on the fake it is not bold. So I'm going to put the pictures for you on the screen so you can actually differentiate the fake and the original. The original Kojie San soap, the color is darker, like dark. It is not light like orange. Once you see that light orange, very light orange, that is the fake. I know some vendors will not let you open up the the pack to check, but I'm just telling you so you should know. There's no silver seal, because I noticed seal on the pack of the original. The original just have a, I don't know what to call it, pasted on it, written in Arabic. But that thing pasted on it, you can actually take it off. It is not written on the body. The Arabic is not written on the body of the soap. So just be careful while buying, and please buy from a trusted vendor. But you see the thing, even your trusted vendor can disappoint you, so you just have to know the difference between these two. This is what I wanted to chip in because I nearly forgot. So if you watch this video to this point, thank you for watching, and till I come your way next time, please, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.